that our urgent motion to withdraw the issuance of a warrant of arrest has not yet been given due course, and that an order has been issued for the issuance of a warrant of arrest against Senator Jinggoy Estrada. We kind of understand that what we filed was extraordinary, but we hope that the justices of the Sandigan Bayan will understand that we, through our client, have not received a copy of the Ombudsman resolution charging him with crimes. We have not received a copy of the DOJ resolution charging him with crimes, namely anti-graft, 2 counts, and 1 count of plunder. So how are we expected to file a proper motion when we don't even know what the basis for the filing of these charges is? In any case, we will bow to the supremacy of the Sandigan Bayan, and Senator Jinggoy will submit himself for bail.
Sir, ano mangyayari kung on the same day maglabas ng warrant ang 5th Division handling the plunder case?
We'll just have to address that when it happens.
No, but if it's with the same day, sir.
At the same day.
Today.
Yun nga eh. That's something we just have to cross when it happens.
Pero attorney, nasan po ngayon si Senator Jay?
I don't have that information.
Yung pagpunta po ninyo.
Kasi normally for when you're asking for a bail, you're required to surrender kasi. So mapipilitan talaga si Senator Jinggoy na magpakita. We're just hoping that we can do it in a way that's medyo dignified. Pasensya na kayo. We understand na mapangailangan naman kayo to report the news. Pero at the same time, we don't want to expose him kasi nga, as we've already explained, hindi namin naintindihan bakit na-filean siya.
Sir, you were saying kanina na parang